Hello, baby. Here's our new game called Make Baby Laugh.
This is a wonderful day. This is a wonderful day.
Taylor just had her birthday party today. I can't see you. There. No, don't pull her up. No. Okay, hold on. Let me help. There. Just put up a little bit. See if she does it. Remember when you take it?
Taylor. Hiya. Ow.
Okay, can't see.
Sorry.
Okay, the Make Baby Laugh game isn't quite working.
Not anymore. When you just got out the videotape, it didn't work.
It was working. Okay, wanna give her one on her head?
Oh yeah, that'll be cool. And then she's gonna try to pull it down. Wait, Keira. Wait. See this? Oh, beautiful.
Ooh.
Fits perfectly.
Pretty princess.
It does fit perfectly.
Who's a princess?
Look, Keira.
Taylor a princess too? Jayden looks like he's a dinosaur.
I'm pirate.
Oh, you're a pirate. Taylor, tell me about what you did today.
I went to Bear's Buddy. Yeah.
In Pirate Land?
I went to Bear's Buddies and Toys.
Why?
And had my birthday today.
Ah, so all these presents aren't just for fun? They're for your birthday?
Yeah.
And what did you do at Bear's Buddies and Toys?
I had a fairy birthday party.
A fairy birthday party?
And I want to show you my favorite present.
Your favorite present, okay. Those two are your favorites, huh?
This one's from my aunt, Keira. And this one is from my present. And this one's from my friend Lily. And inside it has a cupcake necklace. Do you like my present? Yes, I do. Fairy books. Yes, I know, Jayden.
And how about your giraffe that you sleep with every night? That one Jayden got you too.
You like that one a lot.
Your pink giraffe.
Oh. You like that one a lot. I don't know where it is.
It's in my room, in Keira's crib.
Where's my dinosaur?
Same place.
Okay. So this is a necklace, and Lily gave it to me, and she has the same one.
Cool. And you got a Wii remote for mommy?
No, it's for me. You could get the other one.
Oh, thanks.
All we need is one more Wii remote, then we can play Mario.
Maybe we need a blue one for Jayden. Yeah?
Red. Fine,
A red
I'll
one?
get pink. I'm pink.
Really? You want pink?
Yeah, closer to red.
That's closer to red. Jay, were you a fairy princess today too?
No.
What were you?
I'm a pirate.
A pirate.
But you should have been a boy fairy. You could have been King Michael. King Michael? Yeah, that's the name.
Do you have any other favorite presents?
Yes. My first one is the remote. My second one's the cupcakes and the thing. My third one is make it, wear it, share it. Make it, share it, shake.
Oh, Jay, go get me that little thing
Make
Keira
it,
has.
wear it,
That's
share
too
it.
little for her.
It's the whipped crackling cream. It looks so real. It's cupcake creation. They look real, but they're fake. Squeeze on whipped cream. Create your own sweet treat, and you collect, share, give as a gift.
Cool.
Yeah.
How about your fancy new bracelet too?
Oh yeah, I like it, but I was wishing for charms.
And this one though too.
Oh, yours.
Oh, how's that one?
I like this one too.
Fancy grown-up bracelet. Keira, can you put your legs down?
Yeah. And my next favorite one is like a box that has tons of jewelry. From
Oh, a jewelry box?
my neighbor Monkey. Yeah.
Cool. Well, you got a lot of cool presents.
And what's my and then my other favorite one, like third last favorite one. This is my third last favorite one. There's a Tinkerbell one. And
I think all of yours are your favorite.
Well, yeah, and then my second last one. Where is it? It's my kit, and then my like fourth one is the books. Yeah, my book? Yeah. The fairy books are my last book. I thought you would like them. My last best
Jay, I think she likes all of them.
is
She can't decide.
first in the like
Cool. And you made that cheetah over there?
cheetah. Yeah, this is my cheetah.
Cool.
That one keep cheese. No. Why does everybody keep
Cheetah
saying
the cheetah?
that?
I think it's because it sounds like cheetah.
Why does everybody keep saying that?
Saying what?
Saying that he cheats.
That sounds like a nickname for cheetah to me.
It's her real name, not nickname.
Okay. Baby, what are you doing over there? Why are you in the closet? Baby, get out of the closet.
Get you back the crown since you've been here. And now, ready? Come here. You want to start real.
Gentle. Okay. All right, Taylor. All right, well, did you have a good birthday?
Yes, I did.
How old are you now?
8.
8 years old. Alrighty.
Can I have my birthday kiss?
Okay, good night.
Here's Mama.
Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
Wiggling my tooth.
You're wiggling your teeth. Can I see? Okay, open your mouth. Whoa. Oh, it's close. But no, not ready yet.
No.
Will you tell me when it's ready? What? Keira? Hi. And what are you whining about? Boop. Hi.
You're almost in on the track. You're almost in on the track.
Hi, Keira. Hi, Keira. And how many teethies do you have? Let me see. Let me see. No, don't bite me. Let me see. Let me see. There two. And this one here. Wait. Let me see your top one. The top one. Here, look up here. Oh, you want the camera, huh? Right. Oh, I have to hold you differently. Keira, I'm gonna get you, get you, get you. Let me see in your top teethy. Because it's almost in. Let me see you. Keira. Where's your tooth? Where's your tooth? Where's your tooth? I'm gonna get you. Tika, 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 tika. Kinda see it. It's almost in. Maybe later today or tomorrow. Jayden loses a tooth. Keira gets a tooth. What is that?
I couldn't do that.
Okay, Keira got the camera. Alright, we'll check in with you later, buddy. See if it comes out, okay?
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So, are you going to try to see if you can wiggle your tooth out? Yeah? What do you think? How wiggly is it?
Really wiggly.
Really wiggly? But can it twist yet?
A little bit.
You can twist a little bit. Keira's trying to sit on your lap.
More than before.
Yeah, wiggling more than before.
No, twisting.
Twisting more than before.
Ah, look.
Oh my goodness.
Can't pull it out yet.
No? Do you want tissue or something?
Mm-hmm. Might just come out today.
And you have a special tooth box for your pillow too, don't you? Didn't say for your pillow. I meant for your tooth. Let's see how it looks now. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's definitely twisty. Can I feel it? Let me see.
Try to twist it. Try to twist it like this.
Oh, baby, I bet it'll come out. Let me see. Let me just feel it. Oh my goodness. It is so wiggly, Jay.
Think it's going to come out?
I do. What do you think? How does it feel?
It's really wiggly.
Yeah. Would it help to have a little washcloth? Not a tissue? Okay. Don't pull it out yet.
Wrong.
Maybe you can hold on to it better with this. Yeah. Oh, face this way. What do you think?
Really?
Yeah. Doesn't hurt though, does it?
No.
No, not yet. How about wiggle it the other way? I mean, twist it the other way.
Can't twist that much that way.
Oh, maybe it's stuck that way still.
It hurts when I twist it that way.
Oh, that might not be quite ready. It still hurts a little bit.
I want to twist it the other way, but I want to twist it this way, it doesn't hurt. Last time I twisted it that way, then it came out.
Mm-hmm. You need like a mirror to look in, don't you?
Mm-hmm. washcloth. Oh, here it is.
I'm gonna hold it up higher for you. Okay, how's that? Or do you want it to be close up like that? Is that too close?
Close up. Look how much twisty.
I know. Wow. It's super close.
Might not come out today.
Maybe not. But look, it's almost out in the bottom too.
These two top teeth will come out next.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
There's those two.
Okay, let me feel again. This one, this.
Here.
Oh, there's a hair in your. There's a hair in your mouth. Seriously, it's so close. It's okay if you want to let it rest and then do it tomorrow.
I'll try it tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Hope it comes out when I'm sleeping.
I think it will.
So we have to like wiggle it.
Mm-hmm. You don't wiggle when you're sleeping. You want to look at it one more time in here? Look in the mirror. It's funny you can move it sideways.
No. That time I can twist it all the way.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow I can twist it all the way. Then last time when it wiggled, then I twisted it all the way. And I didn't really pull it. I just like while I'm then it went out.
Yeah. So what do you think? You gonna rest for a little bit? Okay. Can I touch it one more time?
Well, pull it out.
Don't pull it out. Okay, I won't. What? What? My goodness. You're so close. Baby? Hi, what are you doing? Are you hiding under brother's blankets? Where's the baby? Baby! Where's the baby? Huh?
Mommy, how do we take this out again?
Where's
This
the baby?
Mommy, how do we put this
Ah.
out again?
Where's the baby? Huh?
Mom, is my tooth supposed to fit in here or here? Here?
Let me see.
That little spot?
No, your tooth fits in that little box right there. And then you get a...
And there, it squishes it.
Yeah.
So I'll put it
Where's the
in
baby?
here. Close. Because I put it in here so it just make sure no one looks at when people try to open it up and say, where's that tooth? And they think that thing is just black. That's what I thought.
Yeah, it's a hidden
tooth.
hidden tooth box.
And this, so it's really hidden. Hide it like it's mine is hide it up there.
Keira, come here.
Let's hide it somewhere else. Or do you want it to be in the same spot? Mom,
You can put it wherever you'd like to, love.
I want to put it in the same spot.
Okay. Keira, come here. Come here.
It has a happy face on it.
Uh-huh.
Happy
Where's the
face.
Keira? Where is she?
Is this from the dentist?
Where's the Keira? No, I bought it at a store. Oh, Keira. Where'd you go? Where's Akira? Peekaboo! Ha 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 ha. Where's
Just to let you know,
Akira?
your other waters are hot.
Peekaboo!
Your other waters are hot in your room.
Okay. Are you still wiggling it? Is it out yet?
No.
Well, if it hurts, don't wiggle it, okay? If it hurts, stop. Jayden, stop wiggling.
Why?
Because I don't want it to come out while you're sleeping.
Okay.
Okay, good night, buddy.
Night.
Keira? Keira?
Good night to you too.
Night night, Keira. Night night, Keira. Keira.
Night night.
She's trying to find you.
Night night, Keira. Night night, Keira. What do you think is her next word? Mama?
I don't know.
You think it's Mama?
Yeah.
What if it's Taylor? What if it's like easy word, like issy
Maybe.
instead of sissy.
Keira.
Bubba.
Keira. Brr. Ah, ha. Ah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave?
Bye bye.
No. Ha.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try this morning, see if it comes out. How's it feeling today?
Good.
Is it more wiggly?
Twisty.
Yeah.
More twisty.
Here, let me take a picture. Let me see it. Open your mouth.
I'm gonna twist it first.
Wait.
Then you can see how it's twisty.
Oh yeah, I can see how twisty.
Wait, can you go get the mirror?
Oh yes. Everybody scoot up. Here. You see?
Wow.
You see it? Does it hurt to twist it or no?
No.
You think it's ready or not quite yet?
I don't know.
So wiggly, huh?
It's bleeding.
Sometimes. Here, let me see. Oh, can I see your tooth? It's so almost out. Let me touch it. I think, Jay, if you just push it back a little bit, it might come
Like
out.
this?
Like push it towards your tongue. Oh, it didn't quite come out, huh? It's almost out, buddy.
It hurts when I pull on it.
Oh, okay.
I don't think it's quite ready.
Alright. Not quite good look at it.
It has a lot of space.
Yeah, I know. Because it's super wiggly.
I thought the other tooth is supposed to push on it.
And it is. Let me see. I don't know if I see it underneath. Look down. Look down. Down. Now open. Yeah, I don't see a big teeth behind it. That's why. It'll come growing later.
Oh, I thought that my other big tooth is pushing it over to that side.
Oh yeah, they're grown up tooth already? Maybe. Okay, so you want to try later? Okay. Say hi, baby. You want to play a fun game? Ready? Ready? Who's ready? Where's the baby? Oh, what? What are you looking at? I know you can see it. Ready? Keira. Oh. Keira, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Ready? Oh. Oh. Keira. Boom. No laughing right now. Right here. No? Boom. 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 That's it. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. High five. Okay, baby. Time to crawl. Come here. Oh, what? Oh, no. Come here. Keira. Oh, do you want the phone? Did you hear it? Did you hear the phone? There it is. Go get it. There it is. There it is. Can you get it? Keira. Oh, are you tired? Mama making you do stuff? Huh. Oh, Keira. Okay, here. What? Oh, you're not tired, huh? You just didn't want to go get it. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let me lock it. There you go. Yes, you like it, don't ya? Keira. Keira, no, don't eat it. No, don't eat it. Yes. Yes.
I'm so sweating hot.
No, don't eat it.
What do you want her to do?
Keira. No, don't eat it.
What do you want her to do?
I want her to crawl to it. Oh, that was too easy. How about over there? Go get it. Go get it, silly baby.
Whenever we bring it out, it's even close.
Hello.
Jayden, stop doing that. She's getting distracted.
Your leg's stuck, little baby.
It's even tender.
You're talking to the phone?
Oh! You like...
Get your foot unstuck. Your foot stuck. Baby? Oh!
Okay, put it right here.
Hi, Rolly.
Go up. Now she has to get it up.
Hi, Rolly Poly Oly.
Roly poly oly. Oh, yeah. Ew, she...
Oh. What? You have it. It's right here. You already got it. Yes. Don't hit yourself. Keira. Keira's so big. Keira's so big. Okay, bye-bye. Hi. Hi, little girl. Oh, watch out. Here she comes. Look at you move, baby. Yes, look at you move. You want something different, huh? You want to get in Sissy's hideout place? Where are you going? Nah. Keira. Keira. Let's go. You want a box? Oh, you like that, huh? Hey, there. Hi, there. Hey, chunky baby. Keira.
Mama, Smokies is really out, so can I change it? I found 2 double A's.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Ha 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 ha. Good thing the floors are clean. Pretty clean. This is trouble. Keira, can I go find some toys in Father's room? Where are you going? What do you need?
Can you please open this
What do you need?
Water! Can you open this from the cap? I'm red.
Oh, you're gonna start getting into brother's things, aren't you? Oh no, you found a ball. Give me that. Give me that. That's not for you. What else are you gonna find? There are lots of things in here that are not so good for you. Keira. Hi. Keira. Keira. Oh yeah, you're trouble. Oh, that's not good. Okay, Keira, let me put some stuff away. Baby's favorite game, airplane. Baby. 1. Where's the baby? Peekaboo. 2, 3. Ah, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Ah. Hey, Keira. Keira, say hi. Can you say hi? Oh, what are you doing? You're eating me. Okay, baby, say bye-bye. 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 Ah. Hey, wait, one more. Oh, no. The tape's almost out. Ready? Bye-bye. There was more tape. Mama's silly. My battery is low. Come, baby. You like all the toys in your cribby? Sissy gave you some more toys. Yes, more toys for you. Good, Keira. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whoa, where are you going? Ha. Bye-bye. Keira. Aww. We're okay, huh? This sitting up stuff, crawling stuff. Easy to lose balance, huh? Wow, you're so tall. You're so tall. Bye-bye.
You get up. Don't fall down.
You
did
did
it
it
by yourself.
all by yourself.
Yeah. All by yourself.
Yes, you did. I left you sitting. And now you are not. Oh, Keira, you're a silly girl.
Jayden, we're doing a video.
Oh, you better hold on, you're gonna fall over. I'm too far away to catch you. Yeah. Jay.
I didn't see that. Knocked over the blue tape again. Keira's going to learn how to walk pretty soon. Do you think so? She already learned how to stand up by herself in her crib. Now what do you think she'll learn how to do?
And she knows how to walk. Crawl.
Yes, first.
I think she'll start holding on to things and moving with
No, Mommy. First, she learned how to talk. Talk? What do you mean talk? Talk. Dada. Huh?
I'm videoing you, Goofy.
Too close.
Hi.
I'm just videoing it. There's nothing to video that is. This is good for Keira holding on for a long time and she might get tired of going her head down. Last time she...
Hey. I think you surprised Keira.
I'm surprised you. Will you surprise me, Jayden?
Keira. Keira, say bye-bye.
You're playing. You can't surprise me.
Keira, say bye-bye. Keira.
That's weird.
Keira,
Hey.
say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.
Keira.
See you later, alligator. Bye.
Okay,
Brown.
Jay, what are you reading here?
Words.
They're words. They're sight words, aren't they?
Yeah.
And what's that word?
Brown.
Yes, it is.
Can.
Yeah.
Do.
Mm-hmm.
Far.
Oh, close. Look at it again.
Bird.
4.
Four. Go, go, go. Color of the grass. Green.
Yeah.
Have.
Yeah, very good.
Key.
Do you know all these words?
Car.
Here.
Here.
Baby's talking.
Here. His. This is really easy. I.
Mm-hmm.
Just I. Oh, this is easy. And as.
Close. Look at it again.
Is.
Good.
At. It. Like.
Yeah. Oh, let me go help baby.
Leak.
We're good.
Leak.
Baby just sat down in the crib.
Leak.
Look.
Look.
Hi, baby.
I'm looking at something. This is so easy. All these words are so easy. Off.
Of.
Of.
Mm-hmm. Off has 2 F's.
On. Oh. Wait. Orange.
Yeah, that's a hard word.
Purple.
Yeah.
Red.
So Jay, you just look at them and you just can read them, or do you sound them out?
Sound them out.
It's really good.
Said.
Yes.
I said that. See?
Close. Baby's laughing.
She.
Very good.
This. That.
That's good.
The.
Mm-hmm.
They. That they.
Mm-hmm.
This. This.
What?
Say this. Say this.
Go back. I didn't look at it.
This.
Yes.
2.
Yep.
Was.
Very good.
We.
Yep.
What?
Close.
What? With it. Wit.
It's a hard one. This is a color also.
White.
Yes.
Whoosh. Wait. Wait.
With.
With. Yeah. Yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow. You. What's this?
What does that one say? It just says, these are sight words.
But this.
It says, please return by, but you don't have to return it. That belongs to you.
But why do we have to? Why does it say that? So only if we want to? Wait, where did you buy it?
Someone gave it to me. Alright, Jay, I'm gonna let you keep practicing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, love you.
And R.
Hi, Keira. Hi. Hi, yeah. Hey, Keira. 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 Keira, say, uh-oh. Good girl. Uh-oh. Keira. Uh-oh. Keira. Uh-oh. Yeah, you got that. That's Sissy's. Do you know you're not supposed to have that? Keira. Keira. Uh-oh. What, you have the toy now? You won't say it? Keira. Uh-oh. That's okay. You said it. I approve. Keira, what else can you say? Can you say, all done? All done. You say bye-bye. You know you can say it. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Keira, bye-bye. The hamster's talking to you. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, Keira. I see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Good girl. Keira, give me a kiss. Silly girl. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Gonna get you. Keira. Hi. 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 What's that? What? Oh no, what? What are you doing? Keira. Let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see that. Can Mama have it? Keira, where's Mama? Keira, where's Mama? Hi. Keira, can I have it? For me? No? Keira, what are you doing?
Hi, Keira. What's under there? What's under there, Keira? What's under there?
Is there really money in there? For real?
Yeah, for real.
Who does it say on the envelope?
Chinese New Year.
No, let me see.
Chamangmamo.
No, you know what that says. What does that say?
What?
Chuk. Mung.
Mamo.
Nam.
Nam.
Moi.
Moi.
Chuk. Mung. Nam. Moi. You know to say that.
Oh, not really.
That's what you say every year. Oh, I don't know the name of that. It's probably yours.
Right.
Probably used to go up on your dresser.
Yeah. And then I also have some other things. I also have another envelope. Somewhere.
Keira.
Oh, I better read it.
Keira. Why not? No. You need to go to bed. It's bedtime. Go to bed. Go to bed. I'm gonna follow you till you go to bed. Go to bed. Bye. Go to bed.
Okay. Not good night, camera.
Keira.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, Keira. I'm gonna turn off the camera. Bye-bye.
Hey.
Bye-bye. Keira. Okay, Keira. Bye-bye.
Does she have everything?
Yeah, she has it.
Oh, it's over there.
Oh, it's on her desk.
Do you want to get that right now? Okay, Taylor, we are ready. Scholars, sit up nice and straight.
The name of my family's tradition is Tea Party Celebration. The girls in our family come to my aunt's house and we get to eat special food and drink tea and lemonade. We pick out a hat and find our seats. My cousin Amy, my aunt Percy, and I start to prepare and serve food. After we eat our food, we all get together at a large couch and take a family photo. My aunt Percy gets our teacups ready to go home. The importance of this tradition is to celebrate, honor, and enjoy each other. One more reason is to give out teacups. This tradition impacts my life because each year I make more memories. I get to collect a new teacup each year, which was my great-grandmother's. I love tea parties. This tradition started because my great-grandma collected teacups when she was little and has a lot. She wanted to give them to her daughters, granddaughters, and great-granddaughters. My Aunt Percy thought it would be good to have a tea party and give away teacups. My family celebrates this tradition to enjoy each other and honor different people. By honoring people, we each write a poem to her. In my family tradition, there are a few rules. Some of the rules are to take a family photo, drink from teacups, we also get many surprises, we eat special food, and make chocolate-covered strawberries, no boys allowed, and have fun. Here's how I made my doll. First, my grandma printed and cut a picture of me at a tea party. Next, I made a pattern on scratch paper for the dress. I found a paper
we take questions, she's going to share a couple of objects.
This is one of my cups I got at the tea party. This is my special apron I always use to make special food, and my Aunt Chrissy got it at one of the tea parties. I think it was my first tea party. And then these are some special cookies my great grandma makes every year and sends them to us.
What do they taste like?
They're peppermint, I think.
Peppermint? Are they yummy?
They're kind of like, they have hints of black licorice in them. So that's the only thing if, yeah.
Okay. And did you make enough for each person to have one?
They're dry. This one's dry,
Tell me when.
and this one
Ready?
is not.
Okay.
Taylor, the
Here,
bun
stand up.
is dry.
Jay, shh. Keira, stand up.
Jayden,
Now we gotta stand first. Stand up. Stand up. Keira, no, don't walk yet. Stand. Nope. Stand. Let go. Let go.
Oh.
You have to go in front of her, and then go back,
Stand up.
and then you have to go
So
back.
big. So big. Okay, press it. Okay. Please, Taylor. Taylor.